Yeah, definitely side lying is good for a lot of people. In that position, especially with the use of something called a peanut ball, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's a kind of like a birth or exercise ball that is shaped like a peanut. That can give people a lot of benefit for relaxation because they're not standing, they're not clenching, you know,
Mhm.
they're not having to use those muscles. They can kind of just relax into that position. So,
That's
especially if somebody is feeling the need to rest and isn't feeling like they want to be up as much, or if they have an epidural, that can be an excellent position for laboring for nearly everybody.
and explain the the peanut pillow, did you call it?
It's a peanut ball.
Wow. Explain it a
Yes.
little bit to me. If you're on your side, are you draping one leg over it, or how does
You
the peanut
are.
shape
So it's
work?
kind of like an extreme sideline position. So for most people to be as far onto their belly as they can almost, to where they're
Oh,
almost
okay.
lying on their belly with
Mhm.
that knee and that leg flexed and up over that peanut ball